in Columbus. And we're in match number 1 of the total of 58 qualifying matches over the next 2 days. The teams are in autonomous, which is the first 20 seconds of the match. All this programmed by the human players. And we even have some human player interaction. We're out of the autonomous period, and now the humans, the students, have control of the bots. As 6829 Ignite Robotics moves into the neutral zone, they've collected a bunch of those fuel cells. 4188, the Columbus Space Program. They were there, firing there at the last. They have control of the hub scoring right now. When the hub is lit up, that's that little structure you see in the middle of the field with the net. When that is lit up, the teams can score in that hub. If it's not lit, if they put a fuel pod in there, it won't count. Now the Blue Alliance, 25 seconds is what they have in these transition periods, as they're so called. Now you see 6829 Ignite Robotics launching their fuel cells into the hub, one after another. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. There they go, 3 more in there. It's 60-47 in favor of the Blue Alliance right now, as the Red Alliance now has the opportunity to score, unchallenged by the Blue Alliance. And there goes Oscar and the Columbus Space Program launching those fuel cells in as they take the lead over the Blue Alliance, 75-60 right now, with 11 seconds left in this advantage transition period. They continue to score as the Blue Alliance waits for their opportunity as 6829 trying to climb over the hump. They get over the hump into their alliance zone and get into position to launch their fuel pods into the hub. The fuel are those yellow spherical objects, not cylindrical, spherical objects, those round things you see out there floating around on the field. That's fuel cells, fuel pods. It's fuel for the hub to charge that hub up. If they can reach 100 points, they can get an additional ranking point. As now both alliances have their hubs lit up, they can score at will as many as they want as the Red Alliance crosses over that 100-point threshold and charges their hub, getting that additional ranking point, as the Blue Alliance needs an additional 21 more pods to get their hub charged. Here comes some fuel being launched from out in the outpost into the hub. That's the end of the match. Right now, what you'll see in this event is a way for us to determine who is victorious. You'll see that in a minute. There's this strange looking old car shows up on the screen. You'll see it in a minute when we get the final scores. All right, take a look at the screen, the gondola in the middle. You see that leaving the stripe, indicating that the Red Alliance was victorious in that match with the new high score for the event of 150 to 84. All right, now, please take a look at the screen, at the gondola. We've got a video that explains what takes place in Rebuilt.